Hello, I'm George Barlow, and welcome to a continuation of the Simple Forms tutorial using the Cloud Harbor Business Operations Platform, or BOP. In this short, slightly advanced tutorial, you'll learn how to apply cascading style sheets, or CSS, to your forms. The style sheets control the look and feel of web forms. With them, you can control virtually every attribute of your form's display: font faces, type, color, and size, the way images and text are displayed, background colors and images for forms and input areas, practically anything. This is not a tutorial about how to create HTML or style sheets, but it will teach you how to apply styles to any element of a Cloud Harbor form. Let's begin by opening our Generated Partners Object form from the Forms folder in the workspace. This form uses all the Cloud Harbor default colors and fonts, but you can change practically anything about the way the form displays. Let's open the workspace and right-click on the Style Sheets folder. Choose Upload Document to pick a style sheet that we've already created. Click Browse, and select the style sheet to load into the folder. You could overwrite an existing sheet if you want. Click Finish. Our style sheet is now in our folder. Double-click it to view and edit the style sheet right in Cloud Harbor. Style sheets allow you to specify how you want elements to display on your form. The first entry controls the background color of the form. The Cloud Harbor default is a very pale blue. To set the background to white, set the color to FFF, or we could have used the word white. I will remove the comment indicators to activate this entry, so it will now apply when the form is displayed. Click Save and Yes to refresh the style sheet. Now we want to apply this style sheet to our form. Double-click on the form background and select Properties. The form's property box is displayed on the right. Click the Style Sheet drop-down arrow. Click on the Select Style Sheet button and choose our style sheet. Click Save and Preview. The previously pale blue background is now pure white. Notice that the heading text in the two group boxes, Enter Partner ID and Partner Records, is very dark blue. Suppose we would like the heading text for every group box to be white. Bring up the workspace and double-click on the style sheet to edit it again. This time in the group box label entry, I will activate the line that sets the label color to white. And save the style sheet. Here I need as a developer to take an extra step. Since I just displayed this form a minute ago, a copy of the form before these changes has been saved is on my PC. I need to delete it by clearing the web browser's cache. Hang on while I do that. Now we save the form in preview. Our form now displays all group boxes with white text labels. But suppose I want the output box partner record to display in red. Let's go back to our style sheet again. This time we create a special style case of the group header label called Red Group Header Label, and set the color to red. Don't worry if you don't understand this right now. A little study on the internet and you can quickly find out how to change anything. Now select the group box you want this style to apply to and fill in the name of the style entry in the Style Class property, Red Group Header Label. Clear the browser cache. It is so easy to forget this step, and sometimes I can't figure out why my changes didn't take until I remember I didn't clear the cache. Preview the form. Now our Partner Record Group box has red text. You don't need to use style sheets when you create applications, but they're very powerful if you take a little time to learn about them. With Cloud Harbor Forms, you can get exactly the look and feel your project or organization wants.